somebody like here just flipping punched it away. I don't know who it was, what's wrong with March? Straight up to your shoulder height, all the way back, up, back. Just keep it steady. You see it's unnaturally slow, listen to the band. You can't listen to the band, this is higher right. You see it come on the line, music comes, no like that, no like that. Hug the pavement nice and tight, so a marker's going to be there. An MTP. Hug nice and tight, on the pavement, then we're stepping nice and short again. On the rear rank passes the marker, halted, get a right turn, and then follow the rear rank. Stop, 6 paces away, he's go. Close nice and down first before the front rank steps off. Get one more stress, I'll give you the ice front. I'll stay where I am. Go across the road 6 paces each extent. I'll wait until the first 3 are out, and I'll start pacing down the left hand side. Alright, if I get there.